The Archer and Olive Valentine's boxes are here. So let's take a look inside. Hey people, it's Temi if you're new here, and if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I've been teasing the new Valentine's box from Archer and Olive, and I'll leave a link down below as soon as they're available, but today I'll show you everything you get in the box. But first, we have to admire the beautiful red box it comes in. Archer and Olive packaging is just second to none, and it's obviously put so much time and thought into it, and they're very environmentally conscious. So some info about the box: it's not part of the subscription box system, but it's a limited edition box, so all the items in the box are unique to this box. You can't buy them separately on the Archer and Olive website. Okay, so first we have some greeting cards with a design on the front and space to write something on the back. Then we have an A5 dot grid notebook, which comes in the special edition white box. Then we have some stickers, and we have some Acrylograph pens. So we have 5 colors and a metallic gold. I am so excited to try that. The final 2 items aren't in my box, but you also get a body butter. It says it's a strawberry cheesecake flavor. Is that the right word to describe body butter? I don't know. Due to some logistical reasons, since I received my box early, it didn't come in my box, but I would have loved to try it out. So if you're watching from the future and you have your own box, please tell me what you think of the body butter down below. But anyway, selected boxes will have a golden ticket. This golden ticket will have a discount voucher ranging from $25 to $100. So congrats if you managed to get that. But now I'll show you all the items individually, and I'll also test the pens, so let's go. Starting with the notebook. So it comes in the special edition white box with floral artwork and the gilded Archer and Olive symbol. It also comes wrapped in plastic with a sticker giving you a hint of what's inside. So I'm just going to take it off to reveal the notebook. And oh my gosh, this color is absolutely stunning. It's such a rich, bright red color in this soft linen cover with the foil gold embossed swan design. And when I first opened this notebook, I was absolutely blown away. But for the notebook itself, it's the same Archer and Olive 160 GSM thick paper with the logo charm on one of the bookmarks, and it has a back pocket pen loop elastic closure. If you're curious about how Archer and Olive notebooks perform, I did a video reviewing some 160 GSM notebooks and I went into so much detail, so if you want to see a pen and paint test and all of the rest, I'll link my review video down below and on the screen, and you can watch it after this one. Okay, so the next items we have are the stickers. And this is the first sticker, and it keeps to the same color scheme of the whole box with the botanical art and some other designs. But it actually comes in a set of 2, so there are 2 sheets in each of the packs. And this is the second sticker pack. It's equally beautiful with the shiny gold elements. You guys know how much I love gold. But it also has washi tape at the bottom, and I think that's so cute. It's got a couple of strips of washi tape and sticker foam. I just love that. And this also has 2 sheets in the pack. I'm not normally much of a sticker person, but I'm genuinely impressed with how these look. The next items we've got are the greeting cards. So you can write a cute note for someone on the back, and they come in this 4 designs in the front. And these cute tiny envelopes as well, it's so cute. And finally, we come to the pens. So I don't know about you guys, but this is what I was most excited to try. And it comes in this same smaller box, which I think is just perfect. It has gold accents throughout and even on the inside. And when I say Archer and Olive pay attention to packaging, I'm just in love. But anywho, here are the 5 colors that come in this set. And these colors fit the whole theme and vibe of the whole box. And I love how, even though it's a Valentine's box, they also included some other colors like blues that just work cohesively with the theme they've gone for. So these are the Acrylograph pens, and this is what they look like individually. It is the 0.7mm nib, and it's a removable nib. And to activate these pens, you have to do a whole load of shaking and pumping. And then the ink flows beautifully. But as I'm writing this, doesn't it look similar to the red I used in my December setup last year? So I've just grabbed my old red, and here's what they look like side by side. And yeah, they look very similar to me. In person, I can tell the slightest difference, but it's not that noticeable. But anywho, I'm just going to quickly activate the remaining colors. And look at that gold, oh my gosh. So here are the pens swatched on white paper, and this is just my testing paper, but I'm going to go a step further and I'm going to swatch them on different coloured paper. This is an Archer & Olive notepad, and I've just cut and stuck some black and craft paper so I can see how well the pens perform on the different paper colours. So I'm starting with the red, and I'm just going to write random sentences, and this red absolutely pops. It's so beautiful. And I think I've gotten better at activating these pens because the ink flows amazingly. And the coral is another good one. It just looks great, but oh my gosh, look at this gold. Especially on the black paper. Guys, can you see what I'm seeing? And yeah, the other two, the mint and the blue, also work nicely. So here are all the colours that come in this box, and I can't get over how beautiful this entire combo is. But that gold has my heart. So those are all the items that came in my box. Remember, you also get a body butter and you might get a golden ticket, so good luck. But as I write this little note to my subscribers, this will be a great time for you to subscribe if you're not already part of the family. But the price of the box is $67, and normally I'd be saying don't forget to use code TEMI10 for a discount, but you can no longer use discount codes on special edition boxes. However, if you'd like to support me still, I will leave my affiliate link down below, and if you purchase through my link, I'll get a little commission. So thanks in advance. So these boxes are available from tomorrow, and if you're watching this video on the day it comes out, early gang, you can grab it at 9 AM Central Standard Time on Monday the 25th of January. Don't worry, I'll update the link in the description, and I'll post the link on my Instagram story the day it's available. So good luck getting one, guys. If you like unboxing videos like this one, you will love my video unboxing the last Archer & Olive subscription box. So thank you so much for watching this one. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye.